thing fucking move. What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be recording on the iPhone 11 because my dumbass did not decide to charge a camera before making this video. But right now we're going to be in Uber Eats for Jacob because his ass got COVID, and we are also going to go to a car meet. Oh my God! Because I haven't been to one in a while, and it might be interesting, it might not be. I might be completely wasting my time. The car is dirty as shit, and I also have some baby wipes sitting in the back right now to clean the car because, again, this was an unexpected trip to make. And this will also be my very first time going to a car meet without anybody. I'm going by myself. And that goes beyond all my beliefs, is always go to a car meet with somebody. And in this video, we're not. We're trying something different. Always be comfortable with being uncomfortable. So we're gonna head to Jacob's right now, drop off this Canes, and we're gonna be on our way to the car meet. Look at this sick ass motherfucker right here, just leaving your food sitting out the door.
What a baby.
Come on, grab your food. Stop being a puss. Here, you know what? I'll make it easy for you. Back your sick ass up. I don't want to get sick. Disgusting. You disgusting infected bug.
You could be showing everyone at work.
No, everyone on YouTube is going to see it, not everyone at work. Go grab your food, you little chump. Grab it.
You gotta get me. I got all day.
I know you do. And since this is the only thing I got, we are going to be using baby wipes. Because I got nothing else to use in order to clean this car, and I waited last minute to clean this damn thing. And what's new? It's always dirty. If anybody in this 20-car car meet sees me cleaning the car with baby wipes, they're probably gonna cook my shit, but I don't care. And this is actually bothering me too, to be honest with you, but I mean, I'm working with what I got, and don't use baby wipes. Just don't use it. Just look what it does. Just smears shit. And I should be cooking myself right now, and I'm guaranteeing a lot of you guys in the comment section will, because this is just not the right thing to do. But when this is your last resort, you just need to wipe your shit down. You just need to wipe your shit down. These are good shit pads if you really think about it, because if you need to wipe your ass, what's the best thing you're gonna do? You're gonna wipe your ass with what you got. I ain't gonna use my sock. Fuck no. And one thing that sucks about cleaning your car, and I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but whenever I clean my car, I'm always discovering new scratches. I know for damn sure that it's not me who's creating those new scratches, but I don't know who else is. But then again, it is my car, so I mean, hopefully this meet gets a lot bigger than it is now, because currently right now, it looks like a used car lot at the moment.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, this thing is fucking badass. Jacob's gonna lose his shit when he sees this. Look at this man in his 240.
Yo,
and
it's been a while.
the one that's not sick in the family. I've missed her. I haven't seen her in like a while.
Me too.
I'm sick of shit. Ow. What's up, Nate?
I need to paint my car this color.
Dude, why don't you? You still can. You still have that option.
Nah.
No.
But dude, that carbon trunk, bro. Ooh.
Carbon's nice.
This red is like, it reminds me of that Matrix red. I've never seen a turbo dead center in the middle. I'm not used to that. That's cool. Oh, it's supercharger? Oh, right on, that's cool. I like the colors. I heard this thing rolling through, and I really wish you could have heard it, but it actually sounds really good. Obviously it's a GT and it's not a V6. I like the style of it. It's not like overly done like how my car is, but this is just simple, clean. It's more like a daily driver, and you can just have it nice stance, nice wheels, sounds good, and just get you where you probably need to be. But then again, who knows what the problems might be lying behind it, because you look at my car, it's like, oh yeah, it's a new car, it probably works good. And then in reality, the check engine light overheating, fan doesn't work, connector's burning out. Ooh. That just stopped me in my whole conversation. I'm like a big geek about the new GR86. I actually like them. And like these ones aren't even that bad either, these Type R's. Oh, I know who this is. He gave me a quick little smile. I really fuck with them. They have a whole car wash service going on in the middle of it. What time is it? Like 8?
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock, right?
8 o'clock. Hey, it's not a bad idea though, I'll be honest. Let's go. Damn, that thing fucking moved. That thing was moving. Sean back in high school. Can I stop turning the camera? Yeah, everyone drives by every 2 seconds every time I turn this camera. Hey bro, what do you do for a living?
Luke Tech.
Well, nice car, bro. Catch you later.
You're not Daniel, man. Alright, see you later.
See you later. I'm walking faster than you're leaving.
I know.
I could probably make it to the exit before he even gets out. Let's see how far I can get before he even starts chasing me down. Reminds me of like a Tron vehicle. I've never seen the movie Tron, but it just reminds me of that. Nice car, bro. It's kind of weird because like going to a car meet by myself, I really don't know what to do, because usually when I'm at a car meet with people, I'm talking, I'm laughing, I'm joking around, just enjoying the night. But like being here alone, it just kind of feels like I'm just walking and just looking. I feel like I'm not in the right place right now. It kind of feels weird, but kind of like it though at the same time too, because I used to be very insecure about recording in front of people, thinking it was just weird. But I like to have that perception in my mind that I treat it as if I'm FaceTiming, or just like I'm talking on the phone and no one really cares around me. As you can see, no one's even looking at what I'm doing, and I just gotta remember that in my head, that just enjoy myself, talk, just do whatever you're doing, and then just naturally things will just go your way. I used to have a hard time just talking, and I would like wait till no one was like looking around to actually start talking. That thing is badass, but I get distracted very easily, if you guys haven't noticed already. But I mean, I don't know, I used to get just very weirded out when people start looking at me and I'd just put the camera down, or I'd put it like away and I'd be like, no, I'm not recording, and just like, hey, I'm sorry, just talking on the phone. But it was never really like that, and I'm actually glad I'm like stepping out of my comfort zone, especially since I recorded my trip in the airport, which was a big step in my opinion, and it really helped me to be able to record what we're doing here. I would love to have this thing. Finally, I'm not the only Mustang brother here. Thank you for coming, not leaving me alone. My goal right now is to find that Mustang, because I've seen at least 2 of them roll through here, and I at least just want to look at it. I don't get to really see my car too often anywhere, and when I do, it just is a convertible, and it has an old person drive. Found his ass. Tying everything together about the meet, so I went ahead and stayed a little bit longer, walked around, didn't really find anything too interesting, and as I was about to leave, as I was about to take out my keys, I'm gonna give myself one more walk around. And as I did that, I came across really 2 awesome dudes, actually 3 awesome dudes, as I was just talking, because I was like, you know what, I like this dude's car. He lives right next to my dad. I've noticed him every single time he drives by, or let alone at car meets, but I never really had any conversations with him. Talked to him, super humble dude. He was awesome. And then he also had another buddy that was really cool as well, that owns his own 86 shop, and they both have some really badass cars. And while I was talking to them about some of the things I had in my car and some of the things about theirs and just about YouTube and everything like that, I came across somebody as well in that same conversation who actually knows how to do carbon work, and they were also learning how to do carbon. So ironically, everything just ties in all together with one another, especially since I'm trying to learn how to do some carbon and teach me a little bit of things as I go and make some new friends. That's what it's all about. Be comfortable with being uncomfortable, because this world is completely endless. when you go ahead and try new things that you're not really used to doing or you're scared to do. And I wasn't necessarily scared about trying this stuff, but it was just more about it's not something I usually do, especially, again, not having Joe around or having Nate around or having Jacob around. And it's one of those things where you just can't hold somebody's hand all the time. That's exactly how it is at a car meet a little bit, is that you just want to go out, make some new friends, and if all you know, it could change your world. But other than that though, I just wanted to say that was a really awesome experience, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.